Welcome back. Now we'll be doing part 9, advantages of LM potency. So let us see what are the advantages of the LM potency and how useful it is in clinical practice. Well, it helps to hasten the process of recovery. Its action is instantaneous and without significant aggravation. So this is very important. The action starts immediately and the aggravation is totally insignificant or without any significant aggravation. The latent and indwelling properties of the medicinal substance develops to a full extent, so also the qualitative changes. So by this process of drug dynamization in the dilution ratio of 1:50,000, the indwelling latent properties of the medicinal substances are developed to the full extent or the maximum extent, and we are getting good qualitative changes. It is very mild in reaction. It can be safely used even in most deplorable cases without fear or danger of vital aggravation. So the most important point is that the usage of LM potency, the aggravation will be kept to a minimum or there will not be any aggravation whatsoever. It can be frequently repeated with ever increasing success as parallel number 248. It cures both acute and chronic diseases or cases in quicker possible time if used by olfaction without any severe medicinal aggravation. So, if at all you're getting an aggravation with the LM potency, which is very, very rare, then you can use it by the olfaction method, in which the aggravation can be kept to a minimum. It is easy to administer. It can be given daily or every second day in long-lasting diseases, and in acute disease every 2 to 6 hours. So basically, the administration part is also quite simple, provided the patient remembers the instructions given by the physician, and in chronic cases or in diseases which are for very long duration, it can be given daily or even every second day or alternate days, as compared to an acute disease where it can be given every 2 to 6 hours also. However, in very urgent cases of an acute character, it can be administered every hourly or even often. So if it's an emergency or if it is of great intensity, the acute case, then you can give it every hourly, every half hourly, every 15 minutes, every 5 minutes, depends upon the case. You can also do away the drug relationship in a number of cases of the 50 millisiemens scale, as they are highly dynamized. There is no need to antidote the action of the previous medicine, footnote to reference number 249. So as compared to the centesimal scale, if you would give the medicine and aggravation would take place, you definitely see the remedy relationship table and see which remedy is antidoted to the previous remedy and give it. But it is not so with the 50 millisiemens scale of potency. Okay, there is no need to antidote the previous medicine because it is very rare that you will get an aggravation. The medicinal solution can be administered repeatedly every hour in very urgent cases, every 2 or 6 hours in acute diseases, and daily or every 2 days in chronic diseases. Again, that is number 248. So out here, you can repeat the drugs in this duration or in this method, and there will not be any aggravation. In patients doing well on a chronic remedy who become acutely ill and requires immediate relief, the LM scale is of great use. So basically, also if you are using, say, a centesimal scale of potency, and suddenly the patient becomes acutely ill, and if you want to get immediate relief, since the dilution ratio LM is 1:50,000, it is more dynamic, it is more powerful in action. So you can use, in such instances, the LM potency and cover up the gap. In patients who have tried homeopathic treatment without good results, or in patients who are skeptical. So even LM potency can be used in patients who have already tried homeopathic treatment, but they haven't got the desired results. Probably the physician has used the centesimal scale, which is the most commonly widely used scale. So in such instances, they are, or rather in many instances, if you use the LM potency, it gives you miraculous results. all patients who do not believe or who are very skeptical or who are very negative about homeopathy, who do not believe in the curative action of homeopathy or that the cure will take place with homeopathy, you can definitely try the LN potency and you can change their mindset. This is the only method which can face bodily any challenges when the so-called modern medicine is required for the quickest recovery. So if you want the recovery to be fast, to be quick, then definitely use the LN potency. It has the greatest advantage as over the centesimal potency. And as I told you, antidote in the medicine is seldomly required. So that's all. More advantages will be coming in part 10. Please stay tuned. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe.